For decades, I hated oatmeal. Hate. Rolled oats? Wet cardboard. Although I do like oatmeal cookies. Overnight oats? Steel cut oats? Oh, they're delicious. Crap. They're crap. Until I discovered this bag of sunshine and my oatmeal world was turned upside down. Let's make some really delicious oatmeal. Oatmeal you'll never forget. It's 2 Ingredient Tuesday. These are organic Scottish pin oats. What they really are steel cut oats that are ground. Let's backtrack a little. Here's more information than you'll need to know about oats. All oats start as groats. A groat is the whole oat berry, plain and simple, and you can cook it and eat it as is. You can also add it to rice and make an exceptional rice pilaf. If you take an oat berry and smash it or roll it, you get rolled oats. I actually do love rolled oats in granola. If you cut your oat berry in half or into thirds, you get steel cut oats, which are the same as pin oats, and if you're getting yours from Ireland, they're called Irish oats. If you hate oatmeal as much as I did, you will love it. And if you're big on oatmeal and never tried this, your world is about to get a little better, and they literally only take 5 minutes to make. Remember this simple ratio and you'll be well on your way to making this fast and delicious oatmeal. 1 teaspoon Celtic sea salt to half a cup of Scottish pin oats to 1.5 cup of water. That's it. Whether you're metric or imperial, it's 3 parts water, 1 part oats, and whatever amount of salt makes you happy. Bring the water to a boil with the salt and follow this step. It's crucial. Slowly whisk the oatmeal into the boiling water. When the oatmeal is bubbling rapidly like this, drop the heat to next to nothing so that the oatmeal bubbles ever so slowly and give it a stir a few times. In 5 minutes, you'll have perfect oatmeal. The oatmeal will be like this, slightly thick, all the liquid absorbed. Add some really delicious butter to it if you want, like Kerrygold, maybe a drizzle of maple syrup. I love some blueberries, bananas, even raspberries. Sky's the limit, but it tastes simply amazing plain. That's why it's 2 Ingredient Tuesday. Here's something you probably never thought about. Oatmeal as a side dish with lunch or dinner. Why not? If you watch my other videos, you know how much I love to hate corn. I love corn, but corn is just not good for you. But if you wanted to splurge, shuck some char-roasted corn and add the kernels into your oatmeal with butter for a unique side dish. You know, most people don't realize this, but oatmeal is gluten-free. That's a bonus, and this is truly delicious. Oh my God. Revolutionary oatmeal. It's creamy and chewy. It's almost nutty. You'll know when you try it, and let me know when you do. Link to the oatmeal is in the description down below. Cheers.